Hey everyone, Kellen Boyle here with a quick script tip. I want to talk today about physicality, right? Whenever we're auditioning and there's either a kiss or a hug or a punch or a choke that needs to happen, and kind of how we can manage that inside of the frame. But before I get into that, if you guys would please comment, subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out. I'd really appreciate it. And tell me in the comments, what's one of the things you struggle with most when preparing for your auditions or performing your auditions? Yeah, please let me know. I'd love to hear it. Also, what's a video you'd like to see me do in the future? I can try to address those. Okay, so physicality. It can be tough to know what we can or can't do or shouldn't do inside of the frame. Let's say, as a character, it says in the scene description that we're supposed to throw a punch, or take a punch, or kiss somebody, or hug somebody. How do you perform that inside of the frame? Do you actually go in for a kiss? Do you actually perform the hug or throw the punch? What is acceptable and what isn't, right? Ultimately, what it comes down to is it's not about the physical action itself. It's about how it affects you. That's really what casting directors want to see. They don't need to know that you know how to kiss someone or hug someone. Anybody can do that. What they want to see is, what does that kiss mean to you? What does that hug mean to you? How does it affect you? How does it change your relationship, right? How does it change your objective? That's what they want to see. Same thing when it comes to the physicality of throwing a punch or being hit. We can act out maybe the impact of it or the act of throwing the punch, but really it's about how that decision to either choose or receive violence, how that's affecting us, how that changes our relationships. Now, there are some specific ways you can get creative with communicating physicality inside of the frame. For example, let's say your character is supposed to be choked. Well, you can't actually have somebody reach into frame and choke you. But just trying to act like you are being choked can be tough. So something I was taught that you can do is, with your hands outside of frame, bring your one hand up and catch it with this other hand. And this is happening, again, outside of frame, but the effect is causing tension, right? So that it helps with the act of like somebody grabbing you or somebody choking you. So just simply can help sell that physicality a little bit easier. Remember, again, casting or production are not going to make a decision based on your ability to kiss or hug someone or throw a punch. They're going to cast you based on your ability to act how that kiss or hug makes you feel. Try this out on your next audition and please let me know how it goes. Thanks so much again for watching another episode of Script Tips. I'm Kellen Boyle. Best of luck on all of your auditions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys would like to see me make a video on.